Why secure your USB ports?
USB ports are an easy entry point for malware and unauthorized access. Attackers can use USB drives to steal data or infect your system. Even well-meaning users risk spreading viruses by plugging in unknown devices. By managing USB port access, you protect sensitive information, reduce threats, and gain more control over what connects to your computer.
Disable USB ports in Windows Device Manager.
Windows Device Manager lets you quickly disable USB ports. Open Device Manager, find the Universal Serial Bus Controller section, and right-click each USB controller. Select Disable Device to turn off the ports. This stops most USB devices from working until you re-enable the controllers, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your computer.
Restrict access using group policy.
Group policy gives advanced control over USB usage on Windows Pro and Enterprise editions. Open Group Policy Editor and navigate to Removable Storage Access Settings. There, you can block all USB storage devices or only allow certain users to use them. This approach is ideal in office environments where stricter control is needed.
USB port control on macOS.
Mac users can tighten USB access through system settings and third-party tools. Use system preferences to control device permissions or leverage software like Endpoint Protector for more advanced rules. Disabling external drive mounting in terminal also prevents unauthorized USB data transfers.
Physical security and extra tips.
Don't forget physical protection. Use USB port locks or block unused ports with covers. Regularly monitor device activity and update your operating system to fix vulnerabilities. Educate users about the dangers of unknown USB devices, and consider using endpoint security solutions for added protection against unauthorized access.